Can you actually catch a fly with chopsticks? I've wondered that ever since watching The Karate Kid, and I finally tested that question with a best case scenario inside a box with 100 flies. And to take it a step further and give myself the best chance possible, I made a pair of super fast pneumatic chopsticks. Last video, I made a tactical fly swatter, and I kind of went a bit Cobra Kai on some flies.
No mercy. Finish him!
It's impossible to use regular chopsticks in these huge gloves. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to stick my hand in this hole. Oh, it smells so bad. In my last video, I learned that the flies are too dumb to fly out of a wide open hole in the side of this box. So having a slit in this tape shouldn't be a problem. This is gonna be so gross. All right, let's see how hard this really is. This should be super easy. It's like fish in a barrel. Oh, this is really hard and my hand is cramping. Ugh, get off my arm. That was as fast as I could. This is super hard. It turns out, according to Sports Illustrated, in the movie, they just dangled a piece of black fuzz from a fishing line. Before I covered my Robo Chopsticks in fly guts, I wanted to try and use them like normal people would. Ow! Don't open it with it in your mouth. Turn down the pressure, my gosh. Ah! It's working! It's working! I know William Osman already made something like this. His was servo powered and it worked amazing. Williams was also cordless, so it didn't have this mess. But mine is all about speed.
Speed?
Speaking of speed, here's a comparison of normal chopsticks versus my Robo Chopsticks at 200 PSI. You can see that the Robo Chopsticks are almost 5 times faster. The Robo Chopsticks were made using 3D printed parts and a tiny pneumatic cylinder. The compressed air was supplied by a CO2 cartridge in a paintball refill regulator. That was super hard, basically impossible. Hopefully my over-engineered pneumatic chopsticks make a difference. Trying to focus on one fly. Come on. I know this is cheating, but I'm gonna try it out on the glass. Oh! I did hold it. I held them closed and he must have went like a bar of soap or something. Oh, almost. I think I'm just swatting them with the chopsticks. The big ones are fast. I got one! I got one! This is amazing. This is after like 30 solid minutes of trying to catch flies. You're mine. It was off the glass, and that's technically cheating. But whatever, I caught it with chopsticks. If you want to see more videos where I take an everyday task and totally overthink it, you can click right here and I'll see you on the next one.